Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Turn this down a bit. I've been rearranging some of my consoles in my games room tonight, so I thought what I've done is I've hooked my Sega Saturn up to my main TV. It's normally linked up to my Panasonic CRT, but as you can see now it's linked up to my my best telly basically, and it looks really good. I've never actually tried it on this console, and I thought what better game to play than one of my favourite Sega Saturn games, Primal Rage. There's a lot of blood in this game, and it's the first time I've ever used my this controller. It's the Retrobit Sega Saturn controller. It's a beautiful looking little controller, and I bought it ages ago. Yeah, and I've never actually used it, so I thought let's have a go, is it? And play one. It's such a good game. This is. I loved. I've got good memories of this in the arcade. It swallowed my money, so I've never actually played it in the arcade. I got a little story about that. Start game. It's to arcade, is it? Now this game's a product of its time. Let's go. I normally go Chaos or Blizzard. Strange with cutscene.
The world cried. Armadon returns to the surface to restore balance to the land.
That's the cutscene. It's one of those games where the cutscenes look worse than the actual gameplay footage. It's fucking mad. Yeah, this controller feels okay, you know? Let's see how well it does. Yeah, it feels like I got a Saturn controller in my hand. Oh. Can't remember any of the fucking moves. Look at the people going flying in the background. Now, I grew up with, I believe it was the Super Nintendo version. And if there was blood, I remember the heart would explode. But I don't remember some of the blood in this game. Oh. I think he just punches, apart from this sliding kick. Yeah, as a fucking giant ape or monkey, whatever the fuck he is. I have that. Nice. Rawr. Blizzard conquers. Come on, boy. Oh, didn't see what I said then. Oh, and I love the map as you over here. And it goes blue. Yeah, love it. Nice touch, you know, because he's.
Long ago,
Oh, let's watch this.
The cataclysm came.
Fucking hell, he looks like he's stepping on Lego bricks, doesn't he?
His land was hidden no longer.
Looks terrible.
His new earth to do away with all dangers to his home.
That's the cutscene. I haven't pressed anything. It just stops like that. I love it. Obviously, you got the loading. It's another product of his era, of his time. Any fans of Primal Rage? I so wish they'd made the sequel, finished the sequel I should say. He's quite, he's quite tricky because he's a little bit on the shorter side. My worst character, the hardest character is definitely Vertigo in this game. I always used to struggle with Vertigo. Ah, yeah, you can juggle. Yeah, we. Right.
Rage.
For the blood. Fucking hell. This is probably my. No, is it Chaos' stage? Because I remember seeing footage of it, and I thought, oh, it's dinosaurs fighting. Then Chaos's stage has got like a destroyed city in the background, skyscrapers and shit like that. I was like, oh, this game's interesting. So in case you didn't know, it's set in the future. I think it's like a meteorite hits, if I remember right. And I have read the comic.
A mighty shaman
Oh, he
cast
is.
a powerful spell. The magic twisted. He became chaos. To break the spell, he must satisfy Thrashti. He must defeat the
It doesn't look finished, does it, the cutscene? You know, it's a really good looking game, and it had the wow factor when it first came out in the 90s. Right. Again, I said it earlier on, Happy Father's Day to everyone out there.
Rage.
Ooh. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Nice. Yeah, this stage is sick, isn't it?
Rage.
It's got to be up there with one of my favourite background stages of any fighting game ever. Oh wow, that was quick. Wasn't even paying attention, I was watching the background. Maybe that's my new technique, I think. Right. Yeah, that'd be a good top 3 Tuesday. What's my favourite... It'd be taking ages to think of it all though. What's my favourite backgrounds in fighting games? To narrow it down to 3.
Frozen in the heart of the great ice.
Could pick his hands up. He looks
The world
awful.
melted. Blizzard was free. From the high mountains he come to battle for control of New Earth.
Okay. Brilliant cutscene. Okay.
Rage.
Ah, got it. Yeah, boy.
Rage.
So the guys in the back are obviously the supporting Blizzard. So they're cheering whoever wins. Ah, you know. Quick kill, baby. Yeah, a lot of blood in this game. Fucking hell. I wonder who's next. One, two, three. I think it's 4 stages left.
Drawn by pain and torment of the cataclysm, Diablo escapes
Diablo.
from his fiery prison. To conquer the planet, to torture,
Oh shit, there's a
spread
hella.
everything on
But back in the day when I was younger, this was like the coolest thing I ever saw. It really had the wow factor, this did. It's like, you fight these dinosaurs and it's in the future, what? Yeah, it used to tick all the boxes, this game did. Good soundtrack. You know, Chaos was cool as fuck, you know, and you could piss on people and stuff. Sick. Just keep missing him. Yeah, baby. It's not really an even match, though, is it? If you look at the size of Blizzard compared to Diablo, he's got massive arms compared to Diablo. Nice. My guys are happy in the background, look. Yeah, we won, Blizzard, baby. I'd love to have the arcade cabinet. My number one choice of arcade cabinets, if I ever get one, which I've come close to buying one before, is the Killer Instincts
For the world we know,
arcade cabinet.
the cataclysm came. The god of hunger stirred.
Ooh, another
To live
Tyrannosaurus
forever,
Rex kind of thing.
one must devour human flesh. His own food gone, he must defeat all of his enemies.
Doesn't seem finished, does it? It's like the camera's panning around and it just freezes. And the woman suddenly stops talking, like mid-sentence it comes across as. Yeah, but I love these games. Yeah, my Saturn will probably get a little bit more love now. It's linked up to this TV. And I play some Golden Axe Duel as well. I might turn the camera on for that one as well. That's a fucking really good game, that is. Yeah, baby. Just don't give him a chance. Ah, the purple people are crying.
Rage.
I love that twist, like roundhouse punch that he does. You've seen roundhouse kicks before. Well, this is a roundhouse punch, baby. Yeah, we did it. So I got, does it 2 million followers? No, 23,000 or 20, I don't know how many. It goes so quick. 2 left. Blizzard conquers the cove.
From behind the stars,
Oh, this guy. I always used to struggle with this guy.
Valsiphus imprisoned her on the moon. The great meteor
Oh,
enabled
yeah.
her to leave. Now she come to defeat all others who oppose her reign.
She's by far the hardest character in the game. She's got good range, see, and she's fast as fuck. She hits you, she bites you, and then she whips you with the tail. Oh, coming back to me now. I'd be happy if I can do this without dying. Right.
Rage.
See, tail. Gotta get close. She's trying to keep her distance, isn't she? Play to her strengths. I'd be doing the same if I was playing as her. Alright, come on. Yes! Happy days. Used to give me the creeps when I was younger. Yeah, we done it. Right, 1-0.
Rage.
Nice. For the blood. Get out. Nice. Better in the air than she is anyway. Yes, baby, yes. Like a Stonehenge kind of vibe, isn't it, this stage? Really cool. Right, who haven't we fought then? We fought Chaos. Just fought Blizzard. Done Diablo. Sauron? Have we done Sauron? Oh, we done it. Oh, there we are. Let's do my usual T. Oh, Ton. I thought there was one left. Ton, we are top. Ton, well done. There we are. Nice quick video. I might play some Golden Axe to do later. Maybe not. See how I'm feeling, you know. I'm going to play a couple more rounds of this, I think. But I won't record that. Won't put you through any more misery. Thanks for everyone that's watched. I really do appreciate people that spend, you know, what's this, 15 minutes of their time to watch my little video, my little fucking channel. massive thank you to everyone who's been subscribing. It's quite a lot of people have subscribed this month. I think it's my second month on my YouTube journey. Seriously, I really do appreciate it. Take it easy. As always, love you. Bye.